we experience the death of our honeymoon. The honeymoon is that period of time between I do and you'd better. It is that relatively short period of time when we think we've married the perfect spouse and we've found the perfect job and we're working for the perfect company and we finally joined the perfect church and everything is right in the world, finally. And then one day we realize that our spouse, our job, and our church are not perfect. Not only are they imperfect, but they are incapable of meeting our basic expectations, much less our needs. And we must let go of the ideal and embrace the reality of an imperfect spouse, a not always fulfilling job, a church filled with hurting, struggling people just like we are. And when we are able to let go of the illusion of perfection, we receive the blessing of a reality we can actually work with instead of an impossible fantasy.